Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now in this video, I am reviewing the Japan AI Exo Scalp EA. Right away on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that this expert advisor is developed by Mikoto Hamazono and is currently priced at 999 US dollars with a 3-month rental option available at 599 US dollars. The version listed here is 7.4 and it was last updated on December 6th, 2025. One of the first important things clearly stated on the page is platform compatibility. This EA is MT5, is the MT5 version, all right, and it's not exactly clearly stated if there's an MT4 version here, but if you are using the MetaTrader 4 platform, you might just want to check for that. Okay, we can see here MT5 exclusive algorithmic scalping EA. Okay, so it seems as if the MT4 support is ended, right? I'm just going to quickly confirm that. We can see here that the MT4 support has ended, so this product is for MT5 only. So that's an important point to note right from the start before going any deeper into the system. Looking at the product overview, the developer describes this EA as an AI-driven scalping system combining Japanese financial engineering with a 3-stage AI consensus model. It uses GPT-5, 03, and GPT 4.1 working together to generate trading decisions through what they call an AI arrow consensus system. Depending on the configuration, it can require full agreement or a 2 out of 3 decision structure before taking trades. As I continue through the page, another key element is the dynamic calibration system. The EA automatically adjusts itself during the early trading phase and continues adapting based on market behavior. Alongside this, there is a smart liquidity module that evaluates spread, volume, tick activity, and price stability before allowing entries, which is designed to improve execution quality in changing market conditions. Now, moving into the risk and trade management side, the EA supports both fixed lot sizing and risk percent based dynamic sizing. There are also built-in ATR and ADR based calculations for stop loss and take profit, along with trailing stops, break-even logic, and partial take profit management. So these settings give users flexibility in how aggressively or conservatively the EA behaves depending on account setup. The system also includes protective controls such as spread, filtering, overnight and weekend protection, and daily drawdown limitations according to the description. It actively avoids high risk periods like illiquid market conditions or major instability windows, and it can pause or close positions automatically during those times. Now, moving into the recommended setup section, the EA is designed for major pairs and assets like Euro USD, USD JPY, XAU USD, and BTC USD, typically on M15 to H1 timeframes, and it is recommended to use ECN or raw spread accounts for best performance conditions. Transitioning into the backtesting section, the developer mentions that because the EA relies on external AI API calls, full reproducibility, inside MT5 strategy tester is limited. That means forward testing is generally recommended for more realistic evaluation. So let's just briefly look at what we have provided here, and we head over to our strategy tester so we can still do some back testing, even though forward testing is best recommended. All right, so here we can see deposit 5,923. The profit made was over $502,000. Okay, so this looks pretty interesting. But let's head over to our strategy tester right away. Let's see, we tested the Japan AI Exo Scalp EA on EU Euro USD on the H1 time frame as recommended, and then we tested from the beginning of this year till date. All right, as for the delays, we use the last ping to the server, every tick modeling, of course. Now, looking at the results, we can see that from an initial deposit of $100,000, total net profit was negative 24.92, and out of 86 total trades taken, 22 were profitable, giving us a 25.58% win rate. Largest profit was 1.57, largest loss 1.3, average profit 1.22, average loss 0.81. So that means that the risk to reward ratio was pretty fair, maybe around 1:1.5. So when reviewing the historical chart behavior, the activity should be understood in the context of its AI consensus and liquidity filtering system. Based on the description, trade entries are only executed after passing multiple layers of validation, including spread conditions, stability checks, and AI-based agreements between models. So from the chart perspective, this will typically result in more selective trade placement compared to purely mechanical systems. All right, so I'll still recommend running longer term forward testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions, especially given its reliance on real-time AI processing and dynamic calibration. All right, looking at the historical testing results, it is important to treat this strictly as historical backtest performance and not as future expectations. Okay, results can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot configuration, broker execution quality, spread conditions, slippage, and general market environment. Since this EA also depends on external AI responses, real trading conditions can differ even further from controlled testing environments. So overall, Japan AI Exo Scalp EA for MT5 presents itself as a high-end AI-driven scalping system with multimodal consensus logic, dynamic liquidity filtering, and advanced risk management tools. Before considering live deployment, thorough demo testing and careful parameter optimization would be essential to understand how it behaves under real trading conditions. So in the meantime, if you found this video valuable, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications for more trading insights. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.